Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review VidChapter. So VidChapter is a tool that is going to generate chapters or timestamps for your videos. Other than timestamps, it can also generate YouTube video titles, SEO friendly tags, and even short or long description for your video. And the great news is this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $690, but at Appsumo you're getting this tool at only $59. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features. So here are all of the features and here are some of the plans that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you want to buy VidChapter on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of VidChapter. After you log in, you're going to get this dashboard, and on this section you're going to get some stats such as total video credits, total titles, description, tags and chapters that you have generated. And in order to start the generation process, you have to click on this video and then you have two options. So you can import subtitles to add a particular subtitle to a particular video, or you can also add videos in order to generate timestamps, title, description or whatever you want. So for importing subtitle, you have to provide the title and then you have to upload your subtitle file. Then you can choose your language. Then you can import this to your dashboard. And to add a video, just click on this. Now you have to add the source of the video. So for example, I want to generate timestamps for one of my YouTube videos. So let's select YouTube and now you have to provide the video URL. So as you can see, I have opened a video and as you can see, there is no timestamp on this video, no video chapters. So I want to generate a timestamp for this video. Let's copy the link and now let's paste the link on this box. And then you can also provide a title and then you have to click on add video. So now you can see some info about your video and you can add subtitle to your video directly from here. So if you remember, on this video section, there was the option to add subtitles, import subtitles. So if you have imported any subtitles, they are going to appear on this list. So you can add that from this list. But there is also another option. You can also select this English auto-generated subtitles. So I'm going to select this one and then click on save. Okay, so now the video has been properly imported. Now in order to generate the timestamp or the chapter, we have to go to this section and then we have to select the number of chapters or timestamps we want. So let's select 5 and then click on generate. The chapters have been generated. Now let's refresh this page. Okay, so as you can see, we have got our video chapters or the timestamp. So now you can simply select this timestamp and then paste this on your video description in order to add the video chapters, or you can also do that very easily by copying this. Just click on this and all of these chapters are going to be copied to your clipboard. And if you want, you can even download this chapter. Other than video chapters, you can also generate SEO friendly tags, video tags. So just click on generate. So as you can see, according to the video that we imported, these are all of the SEO friendly or SEO optimized tags that you can use on your video. And you can also regenerate the tags or download all of them. You can also copy all of them. And then you can also generate description, YouTube video description. It could be short or long. And you can also generate eye-catchy titles for your videos. All you have to do is just click on generate. Overall, I think VidChapter is an excellent tool that lets you generate title, description, video tags, and even video chapters or timestamp for your video. So by generating them with VidChapter's AI, you are saving a lot of time. And all of these titles, description, and the tags, they're going to be SEO optimized, which is great because you have more chances to rank both on YouTube as well as Google. So if you want to buy VidChapter on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10% and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.